Welcome to our S&OP Ask the Expert series.
So Doug, today's question is, what's the best way to get started with an S&OP implementation or re-implementation?
Getting started with S&OP, what a great question. So here's my recommendations. Start by picking a piece of the business. What I mean by that is you pick a product family tied to a constraint. It shouldn't be too big, not all the business. It should have some issues, but it shouldn't be too complex. So start by picking that piece of the business. Then get started with that family. Pull your data together for the family. Then actually get started presenting what is the story for that family. And don't expect it to be perfect, because it won't. Part of this is you're trying to figure out, what am I missing? What's the story look like? How do I pull that together? And then use the monthly process, so the following month, to iterate through and work to improve your process. And once you've got to the point where you're actually able to come to the story, you're able to present that to the executive, and you're able to drive decisions out of that, then you're really ready to expand to the rest of the business. We use a standard process scorecard to identify when you're ready to expand, and then you can expand to the balance of the business. So my recommendations: pick a piece of the business to get started with, something not too big. Start with that family, collect all the data, and then actually just get started with it. Don't expect it to be perfect, and iterate through. Hopefully that helps, and hopefully that answers your question.